welcome to my new channel. This is my first video on YouTube and I'm so excited to share some cool tips and tricks with you. Today I'm going to show you how to remove the background from any image using a super easy and free online tool called remove.bg. So let's get started. First, open your web browser and go to remove.bg. Once you're on the website, you'll see a big blue button that says Upload Image. Go ahead and click on that. Now, select the image you want to edit from your computer. For this tutorial, I'll be using this picture. After a few seconds, remove.ibg will automatically remove the background from your image. It's really quick and impressive. Look at that, the background is completely gone. You can see how clean and precise the cutout is. Next, you can download your new image. Just click on the download button. If you need a higher resolution, you can sign up for a free account to get better quality downloads. And there you have it. You've successfully removed the background from your image using remove.bg. It's a fantastic tool for anyone who needs to edit images quickly and easily. Thank you so much for watching my first video. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more tips and tutorials. Feel free to leave a comment if you have any questions or suggestions for future videos. See you next time.